It's not from morning to the okay. So me can't do the kitchen.
They can't call ya. They can't go.
Come on, PAMPAS.
If you are made.
Hey. But tell her not host. This me other winner. Therefore,
wait, so you don't pass audition. You don't pass audition.
Okay. Go pass obituary.
I'm the winner.
I'm the winner. Win this year. Anybody can win now.
How's the salon now for me, bo?
Yes, I know saying for the audition. I don't come, no sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I can call anybody who hear name. You can inside. IBRAHIM SORIE, aka PAMPAS Bobo.
Yeah, na me.
One go inside.
PAMPAS.
Winner, yeah.
Go. You know get style safe. They try to put people in house. Bo, me against.
Suma bundle. Now you go inside. Aisha.
Yes.
Followed by FA. What car?
Don't waste time.
Khadija. Okay, the last but not the least, Devo the Great.
We the same number.
Good afternoon, my people. Then, right now I am now in the housemaid Big Brother salon in Sierra Leone. So we have so many contestants here. So I come there for me to take short interview with them. So please, you can listen what each one have to say. Okay. So good morning.
Morning.
Yes. What is your name?
My name is Devo the Donker.
Devo the Donkers.
Yes.
So, what brought you here?
I am here to win Housemaid Salon 2019.
My name is Khadija too. I'm here for an audition for the Housemaid Salon.
Okay. Yes.
My name is IBRAHIM aka Maudo Water.
Yes.
I'm here to win you 100 million.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, this is Aisha. I'm here to win the 100 million in Housemaid Salon.
Get back that out.
Yes.
I'm a bundle. I'm here for the audition. Big Brother Housemaid 2019. I'm fit to win whatever prize for my people out there.
Sia!
Your name, sir? I name Suma B. Pama.
The question I want to ask you, if you're not fortunate for going inside the house, what do you do?
Well, actually, if I'm not fortunate for going inside the house, I just get for go back home.
Okay, then what are the talents you go on for show people them if you're fortunate for going inside the house?
Presently, me an artist.
Okay, well, do something for convince me.
Yeah, man! Hear me what me said longer time ago, me I be watching you. Moving up. Pam, 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 pam. Say me don't come for can take over. Big house, we don't come for can take over. Big house, we don't come for can take over. Big house, Big Brothers, we ready house, man. 2019. Yeah, man.
Okay, cool now. Thank you very much. You can go.
What's your name?
Me na Aisha, so.
Okay, Miss So, if you fortunate for go inside the house, what do they do for let people that like you go for like you?
Well, me na actress, the me na rapper.
Okay, just give a freestyle, let's see.
Put your hands up, clap for the black girl.
Okay,
Sweet Aisha with the microphone, I got no fear about the secretary, the celebrated design here.
Wow.
That's some from out till next year. Me to Ghana celebrate the new year. I love you, everybody shout here. Me na Sweet Aisha, man the spice here. Me na Sweet Aisha, man the spice. And they say, boys, me ever these guys, make you looking like eyes, make you feel nice.
Thank you.
Just guy, your body they rise.
Okay, wow.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Famata Sisi.
If you're fortunate for going inside the house, what if you see they do for make like people that like you? What do you do?
Well, I will try my level best for encourage people and for let them vote for me, let them like me.
What's your talent?
Me an actress.
Actress, no. So they act for people, not so. Okay, now I want to let you act for me like you don't see somebody where you don't tell you know see how you make.
But not cross that line with this sister, yeah?
Not cross that line with this sister, yeah?
Hey, long time. You lost spam yo. What's I be go? Avex.
Okay.
No go inside, don't go to the talk more.
Okay, thank you very much. It's better. The other question I want to ask you, if you win the star prize, what do they do with them?
Let me say I will build hospital for the poor and them.
Okay.
Make free medical for people and sick and wait for.
Okay. It seems you go do a lot. Thank you very much. You can go. We'll call you at any time.
Next.
Welcome to the Big Brother Housemate Sierra Leone. I am Lehman. If you fortunate for going inside the house, what you go do for convince the people them out there say now you know the favorite housemate? Who therefore vote for?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. One, if I go inside the house, me a comedian, I dey make people laughing at the house. Me a comedian, I dey kill a bit. I dey kill a bit, man.
Okay, give me a joke.
Me people in our salon, we all know say the empty packets water na the dirty country.
Okay. Thank you very much. You can go.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome to the Big Brother Housemate Sierra Leone.
Thank you.
If you become the winner with the star prize of 100 million leones, what you go do with the money?
Well, let me say that money that a great thing like me, I dey into humanitarian issues. I will use them and help picking them out there where they not get money, where they not get people for take care of them. So that's it. I got all that things in that way I dey do, but that is mainly I focus on that day for help to handle less fortunate.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Well, now, as you don't come in the Big Brother Sierra Leone 2019, what you will do for the people at least let them get love for you inside the house?
I can sing. That's simple, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, my voice not too fine, but I will try.
Try your best.
Life is a journey. You gotta put your shoes on. This life is a game. You gotta get your game board. This life no be bed of roses. Something we had to notice. I tell you use it easy, make you just take on easy.
Thank you very much.
Hello.
Yes, hi.
Not so I na devil the donker.
What everything this was is so?
Oh, this is a basketball.
Okay, well, it's good. Then if you fortunate for go into the house, what if you say they do for convince people? What's not your talent?
No worry. That's how they. Me on there for the donker basketball. Now they play. Oh, they go inside the house now and they play basketball. Player, basket.
If you're not fortunate for going inside the house, what you do?
No, not so fortunate. I go win. I'm here for winning. Definitely.
Okay, let's assume if you not win, what you do?
If I not win now, not say if I not win now because I go win now. I believe myself I the winner.
Well, let me say, inside the house, when you go play basketball, who's all the talent where you get, where you go prove to say yes?
Forget. That's not my reality. The reality where they inside me.
So like waiting there inside you. So
why I go inside the house now? I go know.
Okay, well, if you're not fortunate for going inside the house, you feel say you go support the other people then for make them win?
Now they for support me because I make it for winner.
Then if you win the star prize, the 100 million leones, what if you do?
Now that question will not be the waiting for. If I win the 100 million, I go buy basketball, buy wears. And they supply all the school them.
Oh, I shall be so. That's all. Yeah. I think it's
I'm not jamming goals.
Mouth of water.
Yeah.
Okay, now go concept. Tell God thank you. All of inside the house. You know what I mean? Say.
Yeah.
Right now the house, they feel like no more. Me fans, they all the watch and for me. You guys are
this money for me right now.
This money to one man money, yeah?
Because we see.
Sam.
But you are
I go so good Sam come on the business commander you don't pass with me. As we don't enter, we rep now the city life, big house, big brother, see we don't capture. The niggas them all one city.
Man, for celebrate, okay? Go for the dog, laugh to the music, we look dance.
Yeah. They go play music.
Man, I beg you.
Yeah, take time.
Is this not party time?
Yeah, I want to push music.
No.
Go inside the house.
As I do that pass on our
As
I do that pass on our
Another vote for the Big Brother 2019. So Papa take the phone and vote for the PAMPAS boy. And Mama take the phone and vote for the PAMPAS boy. So brother pick the phone and vote for the PAMPAS boy. So sister pick the phone and vote for the PAMPAS boy. Papa, what are you doing?
Housemates. Housemates. Turn off the tape now. Turn off the music now. Turn off the music in my house now. Housemates.
Yes, Chief.
I want you all to stand in a queue. All men one side, all women one side. Okay. Now, I want each and every one of you to find your couple now.
The house door huts.
Each one of you should find your couple now.
Yeah, Chief. I'm Chief. Chief.
Yes.
Are we to go and find our couple, or let the ladies come and
do
choose us?
That now.
Chief, I prefer let the ladies come and choose us. They need to choose us. Yeah, Chief.
Ladies, choose your couple now.
Yeah, babe.
Me say we can make finals.
All right.
What is from me?
Housemates.
Yes,
I have a task for you.
Yes, Chief.
There is a hidden package in the room. It is wrapped in a brown paper.
Yes, Chief.
I want you to share yourself into two groups and find the package now. Your time starts now.
Okay, boys against girls. Go on, boys against girls.
Couple by couple.
Boys against girls. Couple by couple. Boys against girls. Boys and girls.
But I say housemates.
Boys against girls.
It is
I found it.
in this room.
I found it.
That audience, that is not the package. The package is in a white box.
White box?
Yeah, Chief, look at the package.
And the package?
Yeah.
All right. Khadija wins.
Yes. Thank
Okay, party time.
Yes,
baby.
Party time.
No, that's not about you now.
Chief. Baston big yo. Baby, they beef me now.
Baby.
I mean, baby boy, they beef me, man.
Okay, let's all dance.
No, wait for my word. Yeah, because you know, dance. Do like glad.
See the time for the publicity. The camera woman go. The camera would they go people they get crowded. So no, anything. Yeah, we accept that day. It makes it seem like we understand. From that day.
Why you left me? Chief,
Where's the chief don't land me? It is where's the chief don't land me? It is
Yeah.
Some more sheep and the
They say waiting. They say people when I go come Pampers, they go. If you say people are gonna left you with this kind of thing, if you say people are gonna left you for wearing Pampers,
Chief, you watch you. This will be the house.
Housemates.
Yes, Chief.
Get ready to go to the diary room. Now.
How that first go back?
Who
that chief go come?
You now.
Khadija.
Yes, Chief.
In one sentence, tell me, how are you in the house?
Well, as for today, I'm okay for today, and the house is somehow good.
Who is the person that disturbs you most in the house?
Is Suma Pama. He's taking this game very personal, and I don't like that.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Suma Pama. I don't get one slap.
Devo Manka.
Yes, Chief.
How have you been in the house?
Well, I'm sticated, Chief. I'm sticated, fantabrated, it's alright in the house.
Okay, so who have you not been comfortable with in the house?
Now that Pampas Bobo. Maudo. Chief, honestly, Maudo is irritating me. And for that reason, if I had the chance or the power given to me, I should have asked him out of the house. Because the house is not meant for him. It meant for people like us who can play basketball. What can this signify to people? Tell me, Chief. So let him go out.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Aisha Shua.
Yes, Chief.
How have you been in the house?
I'm fine. I'm fine, Chief.
So you are doing fine.
Yes, Chief.
If you are to choose one person to go out of the house, who will you choose?
Well, I would say I would choose Maka.
Why?
Because he always have this ball that he used to. I don't know what is he doing here? Playing with the ball, basketball. We don't have basketball courts here. So what is he doing here with the basketball? And that's what one thing that I hate about him again. He's too proud. I just like people like that.
Okay,
I don't
thank
like
you.
people that are proud.
Thank you. Thank you. Suma Pama.
Yes, Chief. You know I'm here. I'm right here now. Right now. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying?
Okay. So, how have you been in the house?
Chief, I'm in the house now. I'm feeling everything comfortable. Everything is okay with me, you know. But I think there is something shut around me, you know, Chief. You know what I'm saying? It's all about my couple, you know. The last time you couple, he said you should find couples, you know what I'm saying, Chief. But I have problem with that Khadija lady. A lady named by Khadija. She gave so much problems to me, you know. I don't know what exactly she's trying to do, you know, because she's doing things as if she don't understand. Then two, I have problem with that little boy, little papas, you know. If this house was meant for those kind of kids, you know, they should not be allow us to be here. The boys is on Pampas amongst us now. Chief, that's one. I don't think if that one is real, you know, it's not real. I have problem too.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, Chief.
Right. Effie.
Yes, sir.
How have you been doing?
Thank God for the life. It's okay.
What has been going on in my house?
No problem, Chief. But right now, me had swam. My hates Maldo. Wait happen back. Because of Maldo, they wear Pampers. Me, why make a like Maldo? Maldo no get problem. And Maldo so cool. Maldo respects everybody inside now, but they don't respect Maldo. And that's the only problem they want me right now with them. I feel no more don't consider this house. We all now one and we protect ourselves as sisters and brother. But we not like Maudo. And that's the money. And that's the happening at the house right now.
Okay, thank you very much. Maudo Watoya.
Yes, Chief.
How have you been coping in the house?
Chief, I'm not happy at all. Chief, why make I talk so? Because of my housemates, they push far for me. I don't know what to do them. Anyone while they close to, nothing they push far for me. Would I see for saying they near me only FA, and they take care of me, and that is my best couple land for you. Me know you watch to them. I know for saying I'm salon people they send me now. So I they do what they want. I make Kakana, Chief.
Okay, thank you very much.
That see back, they say make I left for air PAMPAS at the house. And me I they disturb them too much. Now that make right, Chief. And the only thing that they when they say they hate me.
Yeah. On behalf of the team PAMPAS, I would like to say congratulations to all the voters who have been voting for Maudo Watoya, aka the PAMPAS boy. Maudo is up for eviction twice, and you have done it again for him. So it's like this is just a short video to sensitize you people out there. Maudo is a comedian. Maudo is one of the most creative comedians. You know, the PAMPAS is just a costume, right? The character he's putting up, he built the character out of his talent. So because of that reason, Sierra Leonean at home and abroad, let's continue to support him. Let we continue to support him. Europe, all the people living in the diaspora, Maudo is the best. Just forget about the discrimination inside the housemate salon. Yes, we can watch and follow by YouTube, AYV TV. We see the other housemates. What have they done to him just because of the costume, the PAMPAS, using all sort of language to switch the character off, but honestly, he is on. I trusted in him. I know that he can do more than that. With your votes, can help Maudo to grab this. Maudo Watoya, send 20 to 5500 for the PAMPAS boy.
IBRAHIM SORIE BARRIE.
Team PAMPAS. Team PAMPAS. Well, people they lot talk this now no understand. Me at no one. Uda could in this universe. Bembe go born in Pikin one better one. More born me Pikin one better one. If I the PAMPAS are here, I'm finna bottle here and happy. Na follow una laugh. Not just enough for any that you know. Na comedian not get close. We know the bluff na costume. Any two wear na costume. So if you Maudo the inside PAMPAS, you talk say I no like Maudo because he put PAMPAS na costume. Maudo in real life now they show inside the house. When they comedy company, they pull them out. You know say una the fans they want see comedy. They want entertain now. But at the film, what's make at the film? Because Sierra Leone and the daughter want for vote. And the more na the vote for Maudo, and the more the percentage to go up. First one we care small, now don't care beaucoup small. Who knows that the other way they be where they come.
Now they come.
In a triple beaucoup.
Now they come first.
Triple beaucoup, now in they come up. So fabul them of Sierra Leone. This is not the team PAMPAS where they try for telling us say Maudo Watoya na the best comedian and Maudo in brand na PAMPAS. Let me continue for support team PAMPAS all the way. 20 to 5500. That's not the code for Maudo Watoya. Pam. Two vote at the vote. Two now the vote. Then you make them phone. They have been the vote. Then you make them vote. Not to consider vote. Not to this no.
20.
Look me the man go to me. Look up. Now push come on. I mean, I know how goodness.
You don't see.
That's this here quick.
You don't see.
Let's send this.
You don't see.
Last
night. 20. You don't go on that message.
Yeah, last send
a text message. Now they write that 20.
Yes, you send that to
5500.
Show quick.
Okay.
Show quick.
Are you ready? If I go to 5,000, they take her.
Yeah, they take her.